Enjoyed by many worldwide, this childhood favorite is the perfect introduction to cake batters, especially now that you understand them. We'll be using my master recipe for foolproof pancakes, which is a ratio of 1 to 1 to 1 to 1. 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's that simple. So, without further ado, let's begin by making our very first batter together. We'll start with our dry ingredients, so sieve 1 cup of flour into a mixing bowl. Then combine with half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and mix that thoroughly. Now for the wet ingredients in a separate bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 large egg, and whisk to combine. We'll then pour in 1 cup of whole milk and whisk that in. Followed by 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla. Next, we'll add our dry ingredients and fold that in until you achieve a homogeneous mixture. Now we don't want to overmix as we want to avoid developing gluten. We'll then pour in a tablespoon of melted butter and gently fold that in. Next, brush a thin layer of neutral oil to a fry pan. Then turn the heat to medium-low and wait for a few minutes. Ladle in your pancake batter. Then watch the surface for small bubbles to appear, and this will signal that it's time to turn as the heat is penetrating the batter and steam is attempting to escape. We'll work our spatula underneath, then flip. Once flipped, cooking time is minimal and we're simply browning the other side. And there's our beautiful pancake. I'll continue to repeat this process as I want to have enough where I can stack these pancakes. Also, when flipping, they should begin to slightly inflate, which is a great sign. I'll lay one more down and speed up the cooking process. We'll stack these onto a plate and pour over some caramel, which we'll learn how to make in a later video. And there's our beautiful fluffy pancakes. Learning how to make pancakes is a must and a great first step to mastering cake batters as you progress in your cooking journey. In the next lesson, we'll be exploring a more complex batter where I'll be making one of my favorite cakes that people typically drink with coffee. See you there.